Alright, so this time we doing a Brodnax with no Adam, just Brodnax, Pocket Watcher, you feel me? Another video that was recommended. All these videos I've been doing was suggested, so I'm going to keep trying to do that, you feel me? Go through the comments and hit off on all the videos I'll throw in there, but let's get it. Yeah.
I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought.
Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. When I'm on the ask your mind, y'all thought it was finished. Hold on. Hold on. He ain't coming. Hold on. Let's go. I'm ready for this. Oh, let's go, Brodnax, nigga. Let's go, my boy. Go ahead, hold on. Alright. I'm right here. Yeah.
I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute.
Huh?
Y'all about to get it.
Yeah.
They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it.
Bitch.
Everybody spit off. They must know I can and I can head off. I ain't never let all. Bet all your money on me if you trying to get the cheddar. Ain't no good, that's better. Still the best hitter. Grown man shit, why you with the babysitter? Want something, homie, come get us. Break a bitch out, wanna run it up the middle.
Yo, hold on. He's going crazy. You want to make money? Bet on me. You feel me? I like that one. Like, you feel me? You want to make money? Bet on me, nigga. I bet on myself. Yeah.
Still the best hitter. Grown man shit, why you with the babysitter?
He said, grown man shit. Why you with the babysitter, you little peon?
Some homie, come get us. Break a bitch out, wanna run it up the middle. Just like Bo Jackson, your broke ass got no fashion. That slow rapping got no passion. Running that brownie sucker with no practice, no acting, no capping like Rick James. Still slapping that dude bang like Jane. You don't do shit, we do thing, do thing. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, square body, take 2 lanes. I'm everywhere. Food chain, grip, brain, drip, stain, dupes out the roof. What it do, man?
Hold on. I'm everywhere like food chain. Drip, right. How he do that shit to his voice? That shit was fire.
Everywhere. Food chain, grip, brain, drip, stain.
Drip, right. Yo, hold on. Oh, one more time.
I say, square body, take 2 lanes. I'm everywhere. Food chain, grip, brain, drip, stain. What it do, man? Show love, you get love. You cause problems, mood change. Shoot game on Soldier Slim. Jumping out the gym. Told them boys not to play with them. Looking for the one bitch, I am him. Cook the beef, slice it thin. Clean my plate, then take a shit. Where you been at? Raising my little kids, yeah. They grow up and tell their friends that my daddy done did that.
He said, what you been doing? I've been raising my kids. And when they grow up, they gonna tell their friends that, yo, my daddy did that. He did that damn thing. You know, Brodnax, put that shit on YouTube. You feel me? He did that thing. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah. You ain't heard that one? You ain't heard Pocket Watch? Put that shit on, eh? Put that shit on, cuz.
Tell their friends that my daddy done did that. Come home with a big bag. Make a hate a big man. Boy, you just baloney trying to act like you a big man.
You just baloney trying to act like you a Big Mac. Crazy. That's crazy.
When I spit raps, we making it cooler, big country enemies big. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it.
That's a lot of fire behind them.
Thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up. Westman Road, Monroe, Louisiana.
Nigga ain't burning. He don't feel that fire.
Westman Road, Bobby Briscoe on the beat, bitch.
My whole back would have been sweating, drenched like KG in the 4th, cuz. Nigga standing right next to that big ass fire. Like, what? I shouldn't even go through my head the whole time. He just sitting in front of that big ass fire. But yeah, yo, if y'all fuck with the video, leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, I suggest you throw that shit down in the comment section. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.